Darts is a game of precision, skill, and strategy that has been enjoyed for centuries. From its humble origins in medieval England to its modern status as a professional sport, darts has evolved significantly over the years. This guide aims to provide a detailed exploration of the game, covering its history, equipment, rules, techniques, and its place in contemporary culture. The game of darts is believed to have originated in medieval England as a pastime for soldiers. Archers used shortened arrows to throw at the bottom of barrels or tree trunks, which served as makeshift targets. The natural cracks in the wood eventually inspired the circular designs seen on modern dartboards. The modern dartboard design, known as the clock board, was developed in the late 19th century. The numbering system was introduced by Brian Gamlin in 1896 to penalize inaccuracies by placing low numbers next to high numbers. This design remains the standard to this day. Darts gained significant popularity in pubs across the United Kingdom during the early 20th century. By the 1970s, the sport had professional leagues, with organizations like the British Darts Organization, BDO, and the Professional Darts Corporation, PDC, hosting televised tournaments that brought the sport to a global audience. Equipment dartboard. A standard dartboard is 18 inches in diameter and divided into 20 numbered segments, each with a double and triple scoring area. The center of the board features a bullseye split into the outer bull, 25 points, and inner bull, 50 points. Materials. Modern dartboards are typically made of compressed sisal fibers, which allow darts to stick and be easily removed without damaging the surface. Some recreational boards are made of cork or plastic. Darts. Darts are typically composed of four main parts. Tip, the pointed end that sticks into the dartboard. Tips can be steel or soft plastic depending on the type of board. Barrel, the main body of the dart providing grip and weight. Barrels are made from materials like brass, tungsten, or nickel silver. Shaft, the part that connects the barrel to the flight. Shafts come in various lengths and materials, influencing the dart's aerodynamics. Flight, the fin-like structure at the back that stabilizes the dart during flight. Flights come in different shapes and textures, affecting the dart's trajectory. Accessories. Oche, throw line, a raised line 7 feet 9.25 inches from the dartboard, marking the throwing distance. Dart cases, protective cases to store and transport darts. Scoreboards, electronic or manual boards for tracking scores during games. Rules and gameplay. Basic rules. Setup. The dartboard is mounted so that the bullseye is 5 feet 8 inches from the floor. Scoring. Players take turns throwing 3 darts, aiming to reduce their score from a starting total, typically 5-1 or 3-1. Checkout. To win, players must reach exactly 0, finishing with a double or bullseye. Variations. 3-1, 5-1. Common formats where players aim to reduce their score to 0. Cricket, a strategic game where players target specific numbers, 15 through 20, and the bullseye to close them before their opponent. Around the clock, players aim to hit each segment in numerical order, starting at 1. Fouls, crossing the oche before the dart is thrown, missing the board entirely, or throwing a dart after the round timer expires. Techniques and strategy. Pencil grip, holding the dart like a pencil for better control. Claw grip, using more fingers for stability. Fingertip grip, using the tips of the fingers to hold the dart lightly, allowing for a quick release. Side stance, standing sideways with the throwing arm closer to the dartboard. Open stance, facing the dartboard more directly for greater balance. Aim, focus on the target area. Draw back, pull the dart back in a straight line. Release, extend your arm and release the dart smoothly. Follow through, continue the motion of your arm after release to ensure accuracy. Target high-scoring areas like the triple 20 to maximize points. Develop a consistent rhythm to maintain focus. Use mathematical calculations to determine the most efficient checkout routes. Professional darts major tournaments. PDC World Darts Championship, the most prestigious event held annually in London. BDO World Championship, another historic competition attracting players from around the world. Premier League Darts, a league format featuring the world's top players. Notable players. Phil Taylor, known as the Power, he won 16 world championships. Michael van Gerwen, a dominant player with multiple world titles. Fallon Sherrock, the first woman to win a match in the PDC World Championship. Darts as a cultural phenomenon. Darts has long been associated with pub culture, providing a social activity for patrons. Many pubs host weekly leagues and competitions, fostering a sense of community. While darts is most popular in the UK and Europe, it has a growing fan base in countries like the United States, Australia, and Japan. Televised tournaments and online streaming have contributed to its international appeal. Electronic dart boards, boards with automatic scoring systems. Training apps, tools to help players analyze and improve their performance. Smart darts, high-tech darts with built-in sensors to track throw metrics. Darts is more than just a game. It is a blend of tradition, skill, and camaraderie. Whether played casually in a pub or on the grand stage of a world championship, darts continues to captivate players and audiences alike. With its rich history and bright future, darts remains a timeless sport for all to enjoy.